Have you ever found yourself lost in thought, contemplating about the most suitable subjects for a faceless YouTube channel? It's a question that probably has crossed your mind once or twice, especially if you're someone interested in content creation but are a bit apprehensive about putting your face out there for the world to see. Well, today is your lucky day. Buckle up and get ready for an in-depth journey into the world of faceless YouTube channels. In the era of ever-growing digital concerns, being a faceless YouTuber has its unique advantages. While it might seem like a daunting task, it's actually quite the opposite. All you need is a good topic, content, and a dash of creativity. You see, the beauty of faceless YouTube channels is the unspoken bond of trust formed between the creator and their audience, forged through exceptional content rather than personal connections. In this realm, content is king and reigns supreme. Today is the day we delve deep and disclose the top 5 subjects that have proven to be successful for faceless YouTube channels. These topics have been carefully selected based on their popularity, the scope for content creation, and their potential to attract a wide array of audiences. Ranging from gaming, animation, tutorials, music, to educational content, these topics are those wanting to embark on this unique YouTube journey. We will be discussing each of these topics in detail, providing insights into why they work, how they can be adapted to suit different content styles, and tips on how to make your channel stand out. Together, we will explore the unlimited possibilities that these topics offer. Today, we reveal the top 5 topics that have proven successful for faceless YouTube channels. Beginning our countdown at number 5 is animated storytelling. This unique and enchanting genre has undoubtedly seen an exponential surge in its widespread acceptance and popularity over the recent years. As a platform, it allows for boundless creative expression. Here, you have the freedom to share tales that are rooted in reality, or even your audience on captivating fictional adventures, all portrayed in an appealing animated format. The charm of animated storytelling in its purest sense lies in its ability to weave narratives with a creative zest, thereby creating an immersive experience that transcends the boundaries of age, culture, or language. This genre, with its potent combination of creativity and expressiveness, has opened up a new realm of possibilities. It has successfully broken down the walls between reality and imagination, inviting viewers into worlds that exist beyond the realms of conventional storytelling. Animator storytellers have the creative liberty to tailor their content according to their audience. They can create tales of adventure for younger viewers or build complex narratives for an older audience, all while maintaining a sense of intrigue and entertainment. The flexibility to adapt and customize to cater to different age groups and varied interests is truly a remarkable aspect of this genre. Furthermore, the innovative use of animations gives the creators liberty to construct stories that are not just visually engaging, but also intellectually stimulating. They can use this platform to tackle complex issues or to create simple, entertaining narratives. Wrapping up, the beauty of this genre is its flexibility. You can adjust your content to cater to various ages and interests. Moving on to number 4, tutorial and how-to videos. What does this mean? Well, in the broadest sense, this encompasses a wide array of video content types. From the culinary arts to computer programming, from the handmade crafts to the realm of digital design, the opportunities are seemingly limitless. Now think about, are you the kind of person that enjoys things like cooking? Perhaps you have a secret family recipe for the best chocolate cake that you could share with the world. Or maybe you're more of a tech-savvy person who finds pleasure in coding. Consider creating a tutorial on how to build a website from scratch, covering everything from the basics of HTML and CSS to more complex elements like JavaScript and PHP. And let's not forget about the craft enthusiasts out there. Are you skilled in making origami or unique jewelry pieces? Why not create a step-by-step guide to making your favorite DIY craft project? Or perhaps you're a digital artist who can illustrate the process of creating a stunning piece of digital art from a blank canvas to the final piece. Our world is a vast landscape of knowledge, and by sharing your unique skills, you can make that landscape even richer. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional to share your knowledge with the world. All you need is the ability to simplify complex concepts into digestible bits of information that anyone can understand and appreciate. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a tech geek, a craft lover, or a digital artist, there's a place for you in the world of tutorial and how-to videos. Use this platform as an opportunity to share your passion, teach others, and perhaps even learn something new yourself. The beauty of tutorial and how-to videos is that you don't need to show your face or to teach someone how to bake a cake or code a website. The focus is purely on the knowledge you share, the skills you teach, and the passion you bring to the table. Taking the third spot on our list is gaming. This genre, an alluring playground for the faceless YouTubers, a term representing those who prefer to keep their identity concealed, is rich and diverse. It's like a virtual treasure trove, brimming with opportunities to express your unique voice and personality, all while having the freedom to stay behind the scenes. The world of gaming is vast, with different niches catering to various preferences. Whether you're into action-packed shooter games, deeply immersive role-playing games, or intellectually stimulating strategy games, there's an audience for every type. And within these niches, there's a multitude of ways to engage your viewers. You may choose to do playthroughs, a popular format where you record yourself playing a game from start to finish. This type of content allows your viewers to experience the game with you, as if they're sitting right beside you. Your live reactions, commentary, and strategies become integral to their gaming experience. Alternatively, you can do walkthroughs. This involves you guiding your viewers through a game, showing them how to overcome its challenges and achieve its objectives. Your skills, knowledge, and tactics become a trusted guide for gamers seeking help. Or perhaps you prefer doing reviews, providing valuable insights into a game's mechanics, storyline, graphics, and more. Your perspective helps others decide whether to invest their time and money into a particular game. Whichever path you choose, remember that it's not the camera, but your voice and personality that will captivate your audience. The beauty of this genre is that you don't have to reveal any personal information, yet your uniqueness can still shine brightly. The gaming community is vast and continually evolving, promising new avenues to explore. Hence, there's always a potential audience out there, waiting for your engaging content. At number 2, we have podcasts and commentary. This genre has become a global phenomenon, with its roots seeping into every corner of human conversation. It provides a platform for individuals to share their thoughts, ideas, perspectives on a myriad of topics. Podcasts and commentary have evolved from simply being a hobby to a full-fledged career path and a powerful tool of communication in today's digital age. They allow the speaker to voice their opinions on matters of global importance, hot trending topics, or to delve into deep-dive analyses of a wide range of subjects. These subjects could be as diverse as movies, books, or even societal issues that resonate with a large audience. This genre is not just about stating facts or presenting information, it's about starting a dialogue, stirring a conversation, and leaving an impact. It provides an invaluable opportunity to engage with listeners, to share insights, and to generate thought-provoking discussions. It is a space where you can be yourself, unfiltered and raw, yet engaging and insightful. It's the perfect platform if you prefer not to show your face. You can connect with your audience on an intimate level without having to reveal your identity. However, amidst all this, one thing to remember is your ability to engage and connect with your audience. Your uniqueness, your perspective, your sharp wit. These are the elements your listeners will be drawn to. They won't just come for the subject matter, but for your unique ability to transform simple information into compelling narratives. Remember to be engaging and insightful. Your listeners will come for the topic, but they'll stay for your unique perspective and sharp wit. Finally, the number 1 spot is awarded to ASMR videos. This genre has taken the internet by storm, and its popularity is by no means an accident. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a phenomenon that has recently begun to attract significant attention. Many people have reported experiencing a tingling sensation in response to specific auditory or visual stimuli. These stimuli include soft whispering, tapping, scratching, and more. This genre of videos has proven to be much more than just a fad. It's become a cultural phenomenon, one that taps into the core of human nature, the need for comfort, relaxation, and focus. ASMR videos provide a tranquil escape from the noise and of our daily lives. They offer a unique, personal experience that is almost therapeutic in nature, triggering a relaxation response that helps to alleviate stress, insomnia, and anxiety. Astonishingly, ASMR videos are not only helping people relax, but also aiding them in focusing on their work. They provide a subtle, gentle backdrop that allows one's mind to concentrate, making them ideal for people working in busy, noisy environments. This unexpected benefit is yet another reason why ASMR videos have surged in popularity, appealing to a wide range of audiences. Creating an ASMR video is an art in itself. All you need is a good quality microphone, but the real key lies in creativity. The creation process involves thinking outside the box and finding unique sounds to trigger the ASMR response. This could be anything from the rustle of leaves to the hum of an air conditioner. The possibilities are endless. With the rising popularity of ASMR videos, many individuals have taken it upon themselves to create their own ASMR channels. Such an act not only gives them an outlet for their creativity, but also provides a sense of satisfaction knowing they're helping others find peace and focus. All you need is a quality microphone and some creativity to create a successful ASMR channel. To recap, the top 5 themes for Faceless YouTube channels are animated storytelling, tutorial and how-to content, gaming, podcasts and commentary, and ASMR videos. These categories offer distinct ways to interact with your audience. Importantly, the key to a successful YouTube channel is enthusiasm. Select a subject that you're passionate about and proficient in. Sincerity is appealing to viewers and is likely to have them coming back for more. Being camera shy shouldn't be a hindrance from expressing your voice to the world. There's a vast expanse of faceless YouTube content out there waiting for creators like you to venture into. Always remember that YouTube is an enormous and varied platform, with room for everyone. So, discover your specific area, begin producing content, and who knows, you could be the next big faceless YouTuber.